Ayo, is my post, and your boy is in your screen, back with another video. You guys see the title. Started the video zooted, man. I'm not gonna lie. Before this video starts, I wanted to say that hopefully YouTube could monetize this video. The YouTube gods out there, let's see if they could make this video monetizable. That means basically make the money that I'm supposed to be making, because it could run ads in the video. Other videos, a lot of videos, especially with what I'm doing, bud, cards, all that, they're not monetizable most of the time. So I'm not getting paid the full amount, nowhere near the full amount of the video being monetizable, and ads can run on it consistently, you know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys can get that. But I'm not trying to be like, give me my money, give me my money. I'm just simply throwing that out there, that hopefully this video can be monetizable, because I'm not going to be smoking in it for YouTube. How to make a do-it-yourself apple pipe. I don't want to say apple bong, so let's say apple pipe. I don't know, apple bong sounds a little more stonery. I don't know if that makes sense or not. So I'm just saying DIY apple pipe. I also know there's so many of these videos. I don't care if what Fulanito said about the apple. I don't care about what Pepe said about the apple. No, this is how White Post makes the apple pipe. Okay, so let's go. You are going to need a apple, of course. You are going to need a pen. I use a pen or a pencil, but just get a pen, bro. If you can, just get a pencil, get something shaped like a damn pen, you know what I'm saying? And that's not like a Q-tip. You know, it has to be durable, like durable. It has to be durable. I'm going to go step by step to teach y'all how to make it, by the way. And you also need a napkin. If you are not going to be doing it in a sink, you gotta get a napkin, because the apple juice is gonna get all over you. You know what I'm saying? The apple juice is gonna get all over you. So you gotta get a little napkin. Or if you're in the sink, you're good. Just be in the sink, but your hands will be all sticky from the apple juice. You know what I'm saying? Because you're gonna be poking a hole, and some apple juice is gonna come out. When you poke a hole, because you're gonna have to poke two holes. We'll try and find the best airflow you think. This isn't the airflow is here. No, whatever you think, but you know, try and get the airflow good. Make sure you do not poke a hole through it. Whenever you stick the pen in, do not poke a hole through it. I'll teach y'all. You're gonna want to go to the side. I think there's good airflow here. Where the airflow is, I think is good. It's like more here, but whatever. Here, the airflow I think is better here. So we're gonna go mi papelito. Viste? That shit gonna get all over my cast. You're not gonna wanna poke a hole. Oh my god. I can't even speak English when I'm zooted, y'all. But there, see, you don't want to poke the hole all the way through. See how the apple juice is coming out? Not all the way through. I think that's good. I think that's this is why you need a paper, y'all. If you're in a sink, you are good, but if you are not, I recommend it. I'm gonna have to take my brace off for this, because I don't want to get the apple juice all over. Again, you do not want to poke the hole all the way through here. You're just gonna want to go straight, but not poke it all the way through. The hole's right here. I'm making a hole here because this is where we're gonna be smoking the bud. We gotta make a hole, you feel me? Gotta make sure the airflow's good. I don't know if I should be doing this shit with my hand, to be honest, but there we go. No, look, see? This is where you put the bud. This is where we're gonna smoke it from. By the way, I know my lips are so, they're fucked up, bruh. That's one thing for sure. Yeah, motherfucker, we're gonna test the airflow. And there you go. That's about it. Yeah, bro. That was actually perfect. Wow. Nearly perfect. Bada boom, bada beep. This is a super quick video, y'all. Put your busky right here. And y'all know what to do, man. Oh, another thing you are also gonna need for this video, I forgot, is a lighter. If you wanna actually chief, you're gonna need your bud and your lighter, you know. So you put your bud right here. Get your lighter. There you go. Actually, this video is, let's see, it's kind of an experiment too. It's like two experiments. Look, because I made the Apple how to make a do-it-yourself Apple pipe. And then right now, we're gonna see if this video runs ads in it, if it is monetizable. If you guys see an ad on this video, I will actually be surprised because I haven't gotten ads on my videos for a while. I'm not even gonna lie. The videos have been a little crazy. I'm not gonna lie either. Well, some. This is gonna be an experiment, and we're gonna see if like YouTube actually can allow me to run ads on my videos with how to make a do-it-yourself apple pipe.